Well, just as I have said, the supply is inadequate because if you didn't supply product to independent petroleum marketers, then you are causing scarcity.
Okay.
Because we have the largest number of retail outlets in the whole country.
Okay.
Therefore, we are just appealing to the NNPCL to see that they provide our marketers with full products so that the product can go every part of the country.
Okay. Can you tell us in volume, what is the volume of crude oil totally that you think NF is supposed to supply to you on daily basis?
No, we don't normally carry crude oil. We only call
I mean, PMS.
Yes, the volume normally, what they normally used to do is 50-50.
Okay.
The independent petroleum marketers, they are supposed to get 50% of any product that is being imported into the country.
Okay.
So immediately when we get our volume, the masses will feel very happy. Okay. You will see a situation whereby the product will be sold at a lower rate.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you saying that the key we are experiencing now is not as a result of that protest?
No, not because of the protest. We are on it. There are some element of protest.
Okay.
At the same time, there are some logistic problems just through the way we hear information from the NNPCL.
But some persons from the NNPCL say that your group is sabotaging their efforts. That is why there are more black marketers selling PMS than filling stations.
But you hear today, I clear the air. Everybody has heard what I have said. Provided that we have adequate supply, definitely you will see fuel everywhere. So that is the basic thing.
But as we are talking right now, there is more fuel in the kegs around the filling station than in the filling station. Is it not the sabotage?
So where did they get the fuel in the keg?
Whenever you see people are selling around, that is what they call a sort of black marketers, even though I don't want to address them. That one is just part of unemployment opportunities for the youth. So they are always looking for an opportunity so that at least they have a daily bread. So that is just what is happening. But we independent marketers, we can't sell through keg. We are law-abiding citizens. All our stations are being scattered all over the country, including even in the villages. It's hardly you will see a village that you will not see an independent petroleum marketers patronizing the villages there. So we don't normally sell through keg. We do our legitimate business just according to the Nigerian rules and regulations.
So tell us, these adulterated fuel, as independent marketers, this adulterated fuel, give us a sense of the source of it.
No, it's just me. I heard it through the media. But all our members, don't go to the whole of our members' filling station. You can't see any adulterated fuel. And we have never received any complaint for somebody that has taken an adulterated fuel.